Hi, I hope everybody had a nice break over the new year, and we are now back into investing and what will 2023 bring. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick run through of how things have looked in December for my InvestEngine account, my Trading 212 and my Freetrade accounts. Hi, welcome back. If you've seen some of my other videos and if you haven't, welcome to the channel. I am Mark of Desperately Seeking Fi. How did our benchmark of VWRL actually get on? It was down by 2.3%. If we look at the US, and we'll use the USA as our benchmark, and it was down in the month of December 3.72%. What other fun did we have in the month? Well, Elon decided to go on Twitter and ask everybody should he resign as the CEO of Twitter. And guess what? They voted him out. And everybody was hoping for a Santa Claus rally at the end of December to try and make things slightly better and slightly more palatable for the end of 2022 and sort of recover some of those losses that we had seen. But as we saw, the S&P was down last month, so we didn't get that Santa Claus rally. And then, I suppose, just to make things even worse, we are still looking at recession in this year in 2023. Enough of all the doom and gloom. Let's go and see, have things actually worked in the portfolios? First of all, we'll have a look at InvestEngine. InvestEngine is up slightly more, and what we're looking at is about an extra £300 actually invested into this portfolio, and we are still slightly up, but not up by very much. We are down from, it was up £44 last month, but we've seen a little bit of a dip in performance over the last month. What are we sort of saying? The emerging markets ETF that I'd invested into the end of November has seen a bit of an increase, as has the FTSE 100. It's been actually relatively strong with almost an 8% rise over the time period that I've been investing into it, and the high dividend yield, so the VHYL ETF also showing a bit of growth. Bit of a battering in IUKD and also in the S&P, with the one that is fared the worst is the poor FTSE 250. But with all that doom and gloom, there has been a little bit of light at the end of the rainbow. Santa did come to me and he was a little bit late. He came on the 28th, and we have a few dividends coming in. So first of all, from the FTSE 250, so VMID has paid out £2.40, £1.89 for the S&P 500 through VUSA, and VHYL paid out £4.03, and the final dividend that I got last month, or in December, was the FTSE 100, and that came out at £1.01. Not massive, but somewhere in around the £10 mark, and I'm quite happy with that. I will be reinvesting that back in. Let's jump over and have a quick look at Trading 212 portfolio. So this portfolio, so we actually have 447.94 in here. There are about just over £100 of free funds in this portfolio, and there are 336 actually invested in, and they are the 9 investments that we can see on the left hand side. So obviously the out and out winner at the moment is BME, and I am actually seriously considering giving B&M Bargains a bit of a haircut. I think that this is moving to a point where I'm now seeing the dividend yield dropping to approximately 4%, and I think that's potentially a point where I might either sell out of all of that position and reinvest that into something else that might give me a better dividend yield and also give me the potential for a greater growth as well. Edison not doing particularly well. Legal & General and Tesco both looking reasonably well up at about 12% increases in this portfolio. And what is it? Primary Health Properties is bringing up the rear. That's a worst performing stock in here. What I am having a look at is investing into possibly Imperial Brands or British American Tobacco. But what I will do is I will do a further video that will show which couple of investments I might actually add to this portfolio. I got excited for a whole 44 pence, and that was the dividend that was paid out by B&M Bargains, the ticker symbol BME, and that came in on the 21st of December, an early Christmas present. And I am trying to build this one out to be a monthly dividend portfolio where we'll start to see more money coming in on a monthly basis, and that will work alongside the stocks and shares ISA that I have with InvestEngine. And you can see a video that I've done on InvestEngine, and I've also done one on Trading 212. I'll drop links down below. So what is good is that this portfolio is up by over £8, which is good to see. It was sat under that 600 mark for far too long, as you can see on the screen. It dipped quite a bit. So what is going on? Not very much of it is in the green. Rolls-Royce is my top performer, which is up 14%. And BME again and Lloyd's are up 8.5% and nearly 6%. Quite a lot of things bouncing in around the break even, so really Rio Tinto and Legal & General, but some of my worst performers are down the bottom there, and I thought it was going to be BT this month, but it isn't. Pod Point still leads the way at almost 40% down. But I suppose the good news is another little bit of dividends coming in, so about 75 pence. All in all, that works out at about a total of £11-12 this month. That doesn't include the Vanguard portfolio that I also have. I will do a separate video on that, and that will provide a little bit more money in December, and December will most definitely be my most profitable month for dividends. Also, as I've said, in that Trading 212 portfolio, I'm looking at building a monthly dividend portfolio in there that will have a whole lot of different stocks, and I will probably build that out to be about 20 stocks. I will do different videos on that in the next few weeks that I would love you to come along and have a look at. But thank you very much for watching so far. I'll drop links to some of the other videos that I've spoken about, and see you in the next one. Thanks very much. Bye.